In this video, we are going to learn about notation of set, elements of set. Now, notation of set expressed by capital letters of English alphabet, that is capital A, capital B, capital C, etc. and elements of set. Each term of group which represents set is called element of set. These are denoted by small letters of English alphabet as small a, small b, small c, x, y and z. In set, presence of any element is represented by symbol belongs. Thus, if x is any element of A, then it can be represented as x belongs to A, that is, x is an element of A. Now, absence of any element is represented by not belongs. If x is not element of A, then represented as x is not belong to A, that is, x is not an element of A.